This is Chris, and I'm here at the residence where David, who is a very good carpenter, I would say master carpenter, has built this bocce court pretty much entirely himself. I mean, I provide a lot of help with the mix and getting it in here and stuff, but David built this court using Brazilian mahogany and a special painting process to keep the oils in the wood from discoloring the paint. And then his crew installed the surface, and it's just a spectacular job. I was a little bit concerned about using this material to make a court surface with, but the ball rolls fairly smooth, and the more they make some adjustments in the screening of it, it'll be even smoother. It's obviously been raining huge amounts the last 2 weeks, so it's got to dry out just a pinch. Keep in mind, this court has taken probably about 6 inches of rain in the last 10 days, and you can see how well it's drained because the oyster shell and the 3/8 material. You use that clay stuff and those really small fines, that didn't drain at all. So this is the black pearl oyster shell blended court, specifically formulated for this project and available for yours now. And it's come out really good. It contrasts really well with the paint of the home, the concrete work out there, and the Brazilian mahogany here, or ironwood.